All right, so let's stay on the topic of tariffs because this on again, off again, maybe on again tariff talk from Trump is swinging stocks and your money. So what could the president actually end up deciding? Joining us now, Anthony Scaramucci is founder and co-managing partner of SkyBridge's Capital, somebody who knows how the president thinks. He also has a still relatively new book out called The Little Book of Bitcoin. Anthony, great to have you on Power Lunch. What is, if there's any, rhyme or reason to these tariffs, and what do you think ultimately, after April 2nd, will be the outcome?
Well, it's not necessarily important what I think. I think the market thinks a certain thing, and let's just explain that briefly. I think the market's made a decision that the president has pushed that lever very hard and will retract to something more marginal, which will be beneficial to everybody. I mean, ideally, as an example, in Canada, I think there are some things the administration would like to change on the USMCA deal. And so hopefully there's some hope there that they scale back or tailor back those tariffs and just tweak the USMCA deal. And that would be that with Canada. I think that would be very positive. I think the market is signaling that. So, listen, the president is right about a few things. You have to give him credit for certain things. We want the flow of fentanyl to stop in the United States. We certainly want to stop some of the political things that are going on in Venezuela. And so it's a bludgeoning instrument. I'm not in love with the on-again, off-again strategy. But if he does get to a conclusion sometime in the middle of the second quarter that's favorable for everybody, the market will lift from here, and it'll be a pretty nice bull run for 2025.
My source is telling me that the tariff on Venezuelan oil buyers could actually be good news for Canada because their type of oil in Venezuela actually competes with Canadian oil. So this could actually be some kind of an olive branch to Canada. Again, we will wait and see. But to your point, Anthony, letting the markets speak for themselves. That's what we do. We look at the data and say, here's the story. The markets today are pretty optimistic, it seems, about outcomes. Are you?
I think so. I think, Kevin Hassard, I think, sort of tipped people off last week. Let's wait and see till April 2nd. I think the administration is trying to create some space here to land these things. Let's call it a soft landing on tariffs that achieve some of the administration's goals while not overly upsetting the market. Remember, I don't think the president wants to ruin the automobile industry in the United States. You're talking about $12,000 to $15,000 per U.S. car if those aluminum tariffs go through in Canada. So it just doesn't strike me that that would be in his interest. Particularly, a lot of those people voted for him. Some of those unions, frankly, went out and endorsed him. So, my guess is they're going to intersect this, guys, between some tariffing, some worker protection for the United States, possibly an improvement for America on the USMCA deal. And I think the market's sensing that right now, and the market likes it.
Yeah, and I like that phrase, the soft landing on tariffs. But I was going to ask also if that means the kind of flip side is, okay, on the one hand, we think they're going to work it all out. It's going to be kind of a win-win. On the other hand, it just means we have longer to talk about it. You know what I mean?
Right.